Why are additional THAAD and Patriot missile batteries suddenly arriving in the Middle East? And what does this signal about Trump's Iran strategy? According to the Wall Street Journal, the US is deploying additional terminal high-altitude area defense THAAD and Patriot missile defense systems to the region, with defense officials calling the move a response to recent escalations by Iran and its proxy forces. The deployment includes a full THAAD battery, consisting of up to 6 truck-mounted launchers, each with 8 interceptors, plus advanced radar and fire control systems. Patriot battalions are also being repositioned, with one battalion requiring 73 C-17 cargo flights to transport from the Indo-Pacific Command to the Middle East. This surge comes at a critical moment. During the June 2025 US-Israel-Iran war, American forces fired an estimated 150 THAAD interceptors, depleting roughly 25% of the entire US inventory. The Pentagon's own budget documents show just 646 interceptors in the total stockpile, and experts warn replenishment at current production rates could take 3.8 years. Each THAAD interceptor costs approximately $12.7 million. Meaning the June war burned through over $1.9 billion in high-end defensive munitions in just 12 days. The 2026 defense budget includes $840 million for 37 new interceptors. But that's barely enough to replace 1/5 of what was expended. The strategic calculus is stark. Air Force magazine notes that stockpiles are dropping. We need more. We need them faster than they are being built, with former Pentagon official Mara Karlin warning, there's not enough systems, there's not enough interceptors, there's not enough production. The decision to deploy additional batteries now suggests Washington is either preparing for another major air defense test or attempting to deter Iran by demonstrating layered defensive capability. The systems will protect forward-deployed US forces and key allies, but their presence also signals that Washington expects the threat to persist, not dissipate. The US is deploying additional THAAD and Patriot missile defense batteries to the Middle East amid escalating tensions with Iran, just months after the June 2025 war depleted roughly 25% of America's THAAD interceptor stockpile. The deployment requires massive logistics, with one Patriot battalion alone needing 73 C-17 flights to transport. The short analysis. This represents a high-stakes gamble with limited resources. By deploying scarce high-end interceptors to the Middle East, the US is either signaling serious preparation for extended conflict or dangerously depleting its defensive capacity in the Pacific and European theaters where China and Russia remain primary threats. The move prioritizes immediate deterrence over long-term strategic inventory management, revealing just how seriously Washington views the Iranian threat, but also how thin America's missile defense margins have become. What do you think? Should the US deploy additional THAAD and Patriot batteries to the Middle East as deterrent against Iran? Or is this just a dangerous depletion of scarce defensive resources that weakens America's position against China and Russia? Drop your thoughts below.